Hi, welcome to my class. This is still Maths with Victor. So we have the question on the board, determine the value of 7x in the diagram below. So the first thing we do is to study the diagram very well and find out which of the properties of angles to apply. So a careful look at this diagram, you will see that we have a straight line, then we have another straight line, two different straight lines intersecting. What does that tell you? Whenever two straight lines intersect, there is a property known as the vertically opposite angles. That if two straight lines crosses themselves, this angle here must be equal to this angle here because they are vertically opposite. And this angle here must be equal to this angle here because they are vertically opposite. So if I apply that property here, it means that here must be equal to 5x. Why? This and this are vertically what? Opposite. Why? This is a straight line, this is another straight line, the intersection of two different straight lines. Of course, similarly, I can apply that property here. This is a straight line, it's another straight line. So here and here must be the same thing, 2x, vertically opposite. That's the first thing we've done. And then notice this line here, this line and this line. That is to tell you that this particular triangle is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle where the two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. So this and this are equal. And one of the properties of an isosceles triangle is that the base angles must be equal. So this is 2x, which is one of the base angles. So this other base angle must be 2x. Why? Base angles of isosceles triangle must be equal. How did we know that this is an isosceles triangle? This line and this line, showing us that this side and this side are equal. So basically now we've been able to identify this angle, and this angle, which are the three angles inside the triangle, the interior angles of a triangle. Recall the property that the sum of the interior angles of any triangle must be equal to 180. If that be the case, that means when we add 5x, 2x, and 2x, they must give us 180. 5x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 180. The reason is that the sum of the angles in a triangle must be 180. So we can simplify. This will give me 5x plus 2x, 7x plus 2x, 9x. You add the coefficients. So 9x. 9x is equal to 180 degrees. To get the value of x, divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 9. Divide by 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 divided 18, that's 2, then 0. S is 20 degrees. But remember the question says we should find the value of 7x, not x. So what does 7x mean? 7x means 7 times x. So if x is 20, as we've gotten, 7x will be 7 times 20. That will be 140 degrees. 140, option E. Like, follow, share to all your friends. Bye.